Upgrading your credit card through AwardWallet is a straightforward process that can help you maximize your rewards and benefits. To begin, log into your AwardWallet account and navigate to the credit card section. Here you will see a list of all your linked credit cards, along with their current balances and rewards information. Next, identify the credit card you want to upgrade and click on the link that says Upgrade or Apply for a new card. This will take you to a page where you can view available upgrade options, including new credit card offers and promotions. AwardWallet will provide you with a list of recommended credit cards based on your spending habits and rewards preferences. Before selecting a new credit card, consider the benefits and rewards offered by each option. Look for cards that offer high rewards rates in categories where you spend the most, such as travel or dining. Also, check the annual fee and interest rate to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Once you have selected a new credit card, click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. You will be redirected to the credit card issuer's website, where you can complete the application and review the terms and conditions. After submitting your application, you will receive a decision immediately or within a few days, depending on the credit card issuer. If you are approved, your new credit card will be linked to your AwardWallet account, and you can start earning rewards and tracking your balances. To get the most out of your upgraded credit card, make sure to update your payment information and set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. You can also use AwardWallet to track your rewards balances and receive notifications when your points or miles are about to expire. In conclusion, upgrading your credit card through AwardWallet is a simple and effective way to maximize your rewards and benefits. By following these steps and considering your spending habits and financial goals, you can find the best credit card for your needs and start earning more rewards today.